Hello everyone, my name is Dominic and I'm one of the product specialists here at SpyCentre Security, the Spy Gear Superstore. Today I'm going to be reviewing the new USB drive voice recorder with 90 hours of storage. If you find this video helpful, please like our video and remember to subscribe to our channel for future tutorial and review videos. You can stay up to date on all the latest Spy Gear by following us on Facebook and Twitter. Just click on the links in the description below. Be sure to visit our website, SpyCentre.com. If you'd like to purchase this product, you can click on the link in the upper left-hand corner or go to the description below and click on the link there. This is our new USB drive voice recorder. It still has the same features as before, like 16 hours of battery life, 90 hours of storage, and time and date stamping. The new model now comes with voice activation, meaning it will only record when it hears sound. It looks and functions just like a normal USB flash drive. It has a simple on and off switch for recording, making it very easy to use, and it only takes about 2 to 3 hours to recharge. You can also listen to the recordings using either a Windows or Mac computer. Alrighty guys, so now I'm going to go ahead and show you everything that the USB drive voice recorder with 90 hours of storage will come with. Go ahead and open her up. Let's see what we got. Okay, so the first thing we have here is of course the recorder itself. So just taking a look at it on a plain view, it really just looks like an average USB thumb drive. Nothing out of the ordinary about it, it's just your normal USB. So how you're going to transfer your files is by plugging it in through the USB port here, and that'd be to either your computer or laptop. You can also plug it in for charging purposes there as well. So saying that, if we look on the bottom here, see if I can get to focus, there we go. Okay, so we'll notice we have our off and on switch, our microphone, and our reset button. So when we want to start a recording, we're literally just going to move it from the off position to the on position. At that point, we have an LED indication that's going to light up right here saying, hey look, I did kick on, I am recording. At that point, the unit will be on and doing its thing. Keep in mind your microphone slot is right here, so that's where it's looking to pick up the majority of the audio when you are going to record. So let's go ahead and see everything else that it comes with real quick, and then I'll show you how to make a recording. So, alright, if we open it up here in the little flap there, we have our manual. So at that point, this is one that we actually handwrote ourselves here at SpyCentre. So it does have some good information just in regards to how to utilize the product, whether or not it's transferring the files, starting it, whatever it may be at that point. So you can definitely refer to that if needed. So let me go ahead, I'm going to show you guys how to start a recording here, and I'm actually going to take it into my back office and we're going to do a couple little test recordings for you. So what we're going to do, get to focus. Oh, there we go. Okay. So I'm going to move it from off to on here, and then we should see our indication light. Yep. Alright, then it's going to go right here in just a moment. It's going to flash a couple times letting me know, hey look, I am kicking on, I'm recording. Hey look, and there we are. So now I'm going to take it into my back office, and we're going to go ahead and do that demo test for you.
The following presentation is for demonstration purposes only, and is not a recommendation or advice on how to use the product. SpyCentre is not responsible for any illegal or inappropriate usage of our products. SpyCentre encourages you to check with your local, state, and country laws prior to usage.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in our back office and we're going to go ahead and perform a little test for you utilizing the new USB drive audio recorder that stores 90 hours of information. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to take the recorder, I'm going to put it in my pocket here, and me and Kenny are going to have a little conversation test for you showing you what the audio quality would sound like. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device itself.
How's it going, Kenny?
Doing good, how are you?
Doing good.
So this is a review received for the USB drive voice recorder. This is a great product, and as stated in the demo, you certainly get what you pay for. But that doesn't end here. I made a mistake while formatting the device to FAT32 and deleted the time and date software. I admit not being the brightest guppy in the goldfish bowl, but amazing staff to include Alex Nettles hung in there with me and did not give up until I had the correct software downloaded and installed correctly. Not only is this the best customer service I received in many years, but it was completed with professional competency, was received fast, and the speedy replies to all my requests for assistance. The rest of the world needs to do what these folks do. I highly recommend this company and their products. I also purchased a Model 6676 Pro USB audio recorder, another amazing product. Thank you for the outstanding customer service and for selling high quality products.
Perfect. So now what I'm going to go ahead and do, I'm going to take the recorder out of my pocket, we're going to take it up front, and we're going to do a little distance test for you guys.
Alrighty guys, so here we are in a retail storefront. We're going to go ahead and perform a little distance test for you utilizing the USB drive voice recorder with 90 hours of storage. So what I'm going to go ahead and do is I'm going to hand the drive over to Kenny here. He's going to put it on the shelf. We're going to do that distance test. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device. Here you go, Kenny. This is the audio quality at 10 feet. This is the audio quality at 20 feet. And lastly, this is the audio quality on the USB drive voice recorder with 90 hours of storage at 30 feet. Please keep in mind all the audio you are currently hearing is being recorded by the device. The new USB drive voice recorder has all the same features as the previous model, but now it has voice activation, making it an easy choice. We do monitor the comment sections on our videos, so if you have a question about this or anything else, feel free to post it down below and we'll get back to you at our earliest convenience.